Hey everyone, today I will show you a full guide on how to get MovieBox Pro invitation code in 2025. Let's get started, and make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. First, you can request a code directly from MovieBox Pro support. Just send them a polite email asking for an activation code. Response times can vary from a few hours to a few days depending on their demand. If you already have access to the MovieBox Pro app, you can generate a code yourself. Open the app, tap the hexagonal icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings, then Invitation Code. Tap Create to generate a new code. These codes are usually valid for about 15 to 20 minutes, and can be shared privately with friends or family. Another method is to join online communities. Some Discord servers or Telegram groups allow pro users to generate and share codes using bot commands. But be careful, don't post or request codes publicly, as it might break the rules. And avoid buying codes, since many are shared for free. Finally, if you can't get a MovieBox Pro code, there are alternatives. Apps like MediaBox HD or Zini TV offer similar content, and often don't need an invite or login at all. That's all that needs to be done.